Meaning of hooped.
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 Hooped. The word hooped can have several meanings depending on the context, but one possible definition is having hoops or circular bands around something. For example, a barrel may be hooped with metal rings to prevent it from falling apart. The result of something being hooped could include improved structural integrity, increased stability, or a more aesthetically pleasing appearance. However, if used metaphorically, hooped could also mean being trapped or constrained, as if inside a hoop or circle, which would result in a sense of limitation or restriction.